and welcome to another Online Business Realm video. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button to stay up to date. Today we're going to be talking about Google Analytics, what it is, how it can help you, and how do you get it onto your website. So Google Analytics is a platform built by Google in which you're able to track your traffic. You're able to tell which visitors come to your website, where they come from, what their behavior is once they're on the website, how long do they stay on each page, and you're able to use this data to be able to create what's called conversions or goals inside of the analytics platform. And if you can kind of think about it like this, every business that is online is dependent upon traffic, dependent upon visitors. So if you don't know where your visitors are coming from, and you don't know if you're selling a product, what page they're leaving on before they buy your product, if you don't know the funnel of how visitors move from page to page, then you're not going to be able to efficiently sell your products. So you can use Google Analytics on your website to track if you're a blogger, to track your readers, which posts they like the most, things like that. If you have an e-commerce store, you can see which items people look the most at, how long they spend on each item, and it's just really an incredible tool for you to have. So we're going to be showing you here how to create a analytics account and how to use it on your website. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a Gmail account if you don't have one already. And what you're going to want to do is use that account to log into Google Analytics. So once you have a Gmail account, and then just go to analytics.google.com, and you'll see it will take you to this Google Analytics homepage that we were just on. So it's going to upload the stats from the account I've selected. So what we want to do is create a new account. So to do that, you come over here down to the bottom left and click Admin. Now what you're going to do is you're going to select this first drop down under Account, and you're going to click Create New Account. So I've already created and destroyed an account with this name, but we're going to do it again so I can show you how this is done. Alright, industry doesn't really matter. I do like to keep it on my time, which is Eastern. And then I don't like for Google to have any of this information for me to share with them because it's just their benefit, not mine. And Google already knows everything about you. So I'm going to go ahead and accept this. Spoiler alert, I'm not going to read it. I'm sure it's fine. If not, I hope they don't show up at my door in the black suits trying to take me away because I didn't read the agreement there. So now we're on a page that has a tracking code. So this is your tracking ID. Now, if you wanted to install this on the back end of your website, if you want to do some actual coding, then you would take this tag right here, and this explains where you would put it. But what we're going to do, we're going to do it a lot easier than that for your WordPress site. So now that we have our account established, we're going to go ahead and click Home page here. Okay. Now we're going to go to our WordPress site, and we are going to go to Plugins, Add New. And we're going to search for Google Analytics. And now as you can see here, the first one, the Google Analytics dashboard for WordPress, GAWDP, we're going to use. So we're going to click Install Now, and then we need to activate it. So now that it's activated, we can come over here to the settings underneath the app or the plugin, and we're going to click Authorize Plugin. It's going to ask us for an access code here. We don't have the code yet, so all we have to do is hit Get Access Code. And as you can see, you just have to select your account, hit Allow. Now it's going to give you a Bitcoin address, it's going to send you some money to. Just kidding. That's not what this is. This is a code that you are going to use. It looks like a cryptocurrency address. I'm sure it's based on some type of cryptography, if you will. And we're going to paste that code here and hit save. Now I'm going to need to choose my account. So I have a ton of analytics accounts. So you may not have that. If you just have one, then it's very easy. It's just going to be right here. If not, then you'll need to click on a drag and then come down here and select your account. This is the one that we want. We're going to click lock selection. All right, now we go back to our analytics page. We can go get rid of that page. Go to our analytics page. Now let's go here to our website, quickwebdesigncompany.com, and let's refresh it. It's just a page I have to kind of do tutorials with. It's not too fancy. And now, as you can see, it shows one active user. So you know it's working because we're currently on this tab on the website. So it's showing up right here in analytics. So we can dig in on a later video to how you actually use analytics and to what each one of these little tabs means. But at first, you just got to learn how to install it. That's really the biggest key. Because once it's installed, the data starts collecting. And you can't really do anything with the data until you have it. So this is part of a new series we're doing called Web Wednesdays, in which we're going to be showing you guys anything from the world of websites, whether it's installing plugins or how to use Google Analytics, building websites, anything with WordPress, things like that. So we're real excited to introduce this series to you, and we hope that you're going to subscribe and be able to stay up to date with everything we're going to do in this series. So I hope this video helped you out and you were able to use this to install analytics. And until next time, get out there and make some money.